Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 1903 named largest odd number in a string. In this problem, we are given a string num representing a large integers. Now we have to return the largest valued odd integers as a string that is a non-empty substring of the given input. Or if there is no odd value integer exists, we have to simply return an empty string. Now, a substring is a contiguous sequence of characters within a string. Now here in the first example, the string is 52. That means here the 5 is the largest odd number, so we have to return 5. But unfortunately, in the second example, 4206 does not have any of the odd value. That's why we have to simply return empty string. But in the third examples, the numbers are 3, 5, 4, 2, and 7, and it is an odd number, which is the maximum. That's why we have to simply return it. Now, the constructor, the array length can be in between 1 to 10 to the power 5, and each of the array element can contains any character from 0 to 9, but it does not contain any of the leading zeros. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now, the algorithm is pretty simple. Suppose this is our given string, which is 4,25,674. Now, what is the algorithm? The algorithm is we have to iterate the string from backwards, and we have to check whether in any of the iteration we have some odd number or not. Suppose in the first iteration, it is the element 4, which is an even number. So we don't have to do anything here. Now in the second iteration, it is the odd number, which is 7. Now we have to extract this substring, which is 4, 2, 5, 6, and 7. And according to the greedy algorithm, this is the largest possible odd number we can get as a substring. And the basic intuition is if any of the digits from the backward is odd number, in those kind of cases, the starting point of the string will be the first index. Because if the starting point is the first index, in those kind of cases, we will get the maximum odd number, and we can start the starting point from the first index because the string does not have any of the leading zeros. So the algorithm is pretty simple. We have to simply run a loop in the backwards. And if we find any of the odd number, we have to simply extract the substring containing the odd number from the starting positions. And this is the answer. Otherwise, if we do not find any of the odd number in the string, we have to simply return one of the empty string. So here, I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named largest odd number, which has a string as parameter. Now we are initializing two variables, answer and index, with empty string and -1. Now we have to run a loop from backwards, and if any of the character is odd, that means we have to stop the iteration and get the index number. Now here, we will discard the substring and return it. If the index is -1, that means we did not find any of the odd number. We have to simply return empty string. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.